Hi there, hi everyone, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, July the 2nd, 2022. Yes, three puzzles are solved. Those are the 3 stars Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and now it's time for the tectonic. Yes, tectonic in Dutch they call it Cyberblock. Yes, Cyberblock. Well, this Cyberblock is number 4792. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. But for a 4-stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, we will see if this is really a 4 stars. Yesterday, I have a 4 stars, yes. Need to think a lot. Alright, so let's get started. First question, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here 2 single boxes. Always a 1, single box. They are also a single box. Dual boxes, do we have dual boxes here? No dual boxes. Oh, here, overlooked. The 1 is already filled in, so this should be a 2. Dual box. Triple box then. Do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes. How about quadra boxes then? With 4 numbers. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the Z construction. Let me draw this here. Alright, when you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another Z construction. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Oh, overlook this quadra box. Well, I cannot do anything with this quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, the 2, the 3, and the 4 could be everywhere here. Overlook this one. Okay. The Z, or the, if you flip this or mirror this Z, you will get the S construction or S shape figure. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Only one. Yeah, only one we have here. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape. Here. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. More. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Mirrored. Yes, this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, only 2. Okay. And the final one, the L shape. We have the L shape here. The L shape, when you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those shapes. There are more, maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have here 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 1, 1. Here can be a 1. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4, because we have a double 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Ooh. I'm thinking, I'm still thinking. 1, 5. Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah. Well, we have a double 2 here. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair, 2 and a 4. So this one is not valid anymore. So the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Overlook this 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Alright. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3. We have a 3 in the same area. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So this 4 cannot be a 4 anymore, okay. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be a 2, we have a double 2 there, can be 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there. So 1 number left, the number 5, okay. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. The other pair in this W area shape should be the 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 3, but we already have a 3 there, so it can't be 3 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2, but also connected with that box should be also a 2. one box left. Oh, I've eliminated the 2 here, so this box should be a 3. Okay, so these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah, okay. Let me see. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 4. But we already have a 2 there, so it cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And the 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. That means that wait. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 1, 4, 2. Well, I know that this box can be a 2, but also this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4 in this quarter box. So 1 box left in this quarter box for number 3. And this box is connected with that box. So we also a 3. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 4. Wow. We have a double 4 there. That means I cannot place the 4 here. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1 and that box should be a 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? We have a double 2 there. Could be a 3. Should be a 3. Can it be a 4? We have a double 4 there. And can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Okay. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can it be a 2? Can it be 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 4. Well, and now these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. We have a 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. If I place the 3 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 here. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Then yes, and then this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, 2. I think this box should be a 2 because this box is connected with that box and that box is connected with this box, so this box can be a 5, can be 1, can be 3, so it's 2 or 4. 2 and 4. Well, if I place a 2 and 4 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 4, but we already have a 4 here, so definitely it's a 2. 2 is connected with that box, should be also 2. Connected with this box, should be also a 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5. It goes there. Alright, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 3. Can it be 3? That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and no, we have a 2. a 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be 2. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 3. So the 3 and a 1 goes in those two boxes. Disappear. 3 and a 1. 3 and a 1. So 1 digit left in this area should be for the 4. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Let me see. This box can be 5. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 5. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be here. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Then let me see. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me, this. No 1. I need a 1 here. Well, this box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay, I need to go here. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 5. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can it be a 2? We have a 2 in the same area. Can it be a 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated 4, so the 4 goes here. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3. And the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow, wow, wow. Not a 4 stars, not a 3 stars, but let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, aka samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus, I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. And yeah, it's weekend. We will meet again tomorrow. Yes, on Sunday I will solve the rest of the puzzles in this additional. So 3 puzzles to go for tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now.